Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint some floral borders with the help of brush pen. So I have this 24 shades of Camlin brush pen, and it has all these shades that we needed today, and it's quite good. So let's start with some practice work first. So let me get this rough page and one sketch pen. So this pen brush is like a brush only. It has one pointed end and a flexible tip. So it's totally depend on how you are applying your pressure. If you're not applying any pressure, you can get a thin line. More pressure, you can get a little thicker line. More pressure, you will get a little more thicker line, and the more pressure, and this is how it goes. So it's totally depend on how much pressure you need to get how much thickness. Now let's move your brush towards upward direction. So start from the center, move towards your brush towards the upward direction, and you will get something like this. Same with the downward direction. Release slowly to get the pointed end, and that is how it is. So if you combine these two strokes, you might get a leaf structure like this or a petal structure like this. So do not apply any pressure, then apply a little pressure, you will get a little leaf like this. Then apply more pressure and the longer leaf like this. So it's totally depend on the movement of your brush and the pressure. So apply less pressure, you will get a little leaf. If you're applying more pressure, you will get more thicker leaf. You can also get round shape like this and create flowers. You can also create a round shape kind of a leaf like this. So start from the center and come back again to the center itself, and you will get something like this. And then you can paint a beautiful flower with the same structure. So if you are new to the brush pen, I would suggest you to just go through with the rough sheet and practice this a lot, so that you will get to know how you can draw a leaf or a flower. So let's start with the first one. So for the first one, I'm creating this kind of structure, applying medium pressure, and I'm creating a leaf like this with the magenta color. So I'm going to create this flower throughout the border. I'm also leaving a negative space in the petals, so you can also do the same. Now with the help of black pen, I'm adding the ovary of the flower. With the help of olive green, this is olive green, attach all the flowers together and then randomly add little leaves here and there. So you don't have to copy my composition. You can create your own. You can make better than me. If you have your own composition, maybe that composition is better than this one. So do not copy anything, just learn how we can do it. So I'm adding leaves like this, and then with the help of other green color, this is cobalt green, and then I'm adding more leaves into it. So Camlin brush has different shades of green. You can use all the shades. Then with the help of purple color, I'm adding small flowers like this with the 4 petals, applying very less pressure into my brush. I'm only using the tip of my brush to get the smaller leaves like this, so that I can paint a flower. Now with the help of dark green color, just attach all the flowers and leaves together. If needed, you can add some kind of vine kind of structure. You can add little leaves as well to finish this. Now start with the second one. So for the second one, I'm using yellow color. And I'm creating leaf like this. So I'm applying much pressure into my brush, little longer leaves, then shorter, and then more shorter leaf, and then create a structure like this. I'm creating this in the different direction. This is Sandal yellow color as per Camlin brush pen. Now start with the flowers. So this time I'm going to add flower with 3 petals and little rounder in shape. So I'm creating small petals like this. Group of 3 petals, creating 1 flower and creating this flower throughout my border. Just add this flower in between the leaves like this. Now with the help of light green color, attach all the leaves and all the flowers. Don't think too much, that just attach all things randomly and add smaller leaves like this. These are 1-stroke leaves and smaller in shape. I'm not applying much pressure, just a little pressure to get leaf like this. When you are applying pressure, just try to release your brush slowly so that you will get a pointed end. Now with the help of blue color, I'm adding the ovary of the flower and we are done. It's quite simple. Now let's start with the third one. So for the third one, I'm going to create a small rose flower like this with the help of peach color. So you need a round shape like this, then petals around it, some outgoing petals like this, and you will get flower shape, a different kind of flower shape, a rose kind of flower shape with this. Now with the help of yellow color, just add little more texture around your flower. And then with the help of sky blue color, no, not sky blue, this is turquoise. So this is turquoise blue, and add leaf like structure with true strokes. So in the first border we have created flower, in the same way we are creating leaf here. Now with the help of olive green, this green is my favorite, so with the help of olive green, just add all the flowers and leaves together and add leaves in between. These are the single stroke leaves. I don't know whether you are able to see the olive green color or not in the video, but this is quite a good green shade. And then I'm adding little vines around the structure with the help of dark green color. You can add a little bit of red color inside the flower if you want. And then let's start with the fourth one. So for the fourth one, I'm starting with the leaf. So I'm adding 3 leaf like this and creating a group of leaf. So I'm only using tip of my brush and created these kind of leaves. And then with the help of light green color, I'm adding more leaves into it and attaching all the structure together. So this time with the help of light green color, little longer leaves, so I'm applying pressure, going through a little bit so that I can get a little longer leaves. Obviously the composition is totally up to you, so do it as you like. And then with the help of olive green, my favorite green, I'm adding more leaves into it. So this one is like more leaves and less flower. And then with the help of magenta color, just add a small leaf shaped structure in between to make it look like it's a small flower in between. And it's quite simple. We're done with the fourth one as well. Now let's start with the fifth one. So for the fifth one, I'm creating yellow and orange flower like this. So you just need to create petals like this to make a flower. I'm going to repeat this throughout the border. Then with the help of orange color, add more petals around the flower to make it look like it is yellow and orange flower. Adding little dots in the ovary. And then with the help of dark green color, I'm adding 2-stroke leaves like this, like we did in the third one, but this time I'm using different color. And with the help of light green, attach all the flowers together and add more leaves into it. You can always give the variation of leaves with the help of the pressure that you are applying. So this time I'm creating smaller leaves but little thicker in size. Now with the help of yellow color, I'm adding a round shape like this to make it look like it is a flower. And then with the help of green color, just add all these flowers together. Add more leaves if you want to finish it. And we are done with all the 5 borders that we have with the help of Camlin brush pen. It's quite simple and it's quite easy to use these brush pen. So hope you have liked this video. And do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.